Change your meetings. The 1460 UI series will help to facilitate smoother and livelier sessions. More productive. The 4400 lumens and WUXGA resolution makes it possible to see images and find text clearly, even in a bright environment. And the 100-inch screen size assures everyone a clear view, regardless of seating position. Once turned on, your 1460 UI series projector can be used as a digital whiteboard. In addition to the interactive pen, it also offers finger touch operation, allowing you to erase and operate with your finger. Furthermore, it offers the ability to add up to 50 whiteboard pages for writing notes without having to worry about limited space. More speedy. Scanners, tablets, and even USB. The ability to write over content from a variety of devices means that you can proceed more smoothly with your meeting. At the end of the meeting, you can share meeting minutes easily. Email, USB memory, printing out, and even saving to a PC via USB cable. Whatever you decide, sharing the meeting notes can be done quickly. Now the 1460 UI makes it possible to streamline your meeting flow. More collaborative. You can share the contents of the whiteboard with a PC or tablet. Simply scanning a QR code allows you to join a whiteboard sharing session without the need for any complex settings. Content written on the whiteboard can be shared with each PC or tablet, and conversely, something written on a PC or tablet can be shared on the whiteboard for a more collaborative meeting environment. During a video conference, you can drag out the whiteboard from the edge of the screen and take meeting notes. You can run meetings as smoothly as possible by sharing the meeting minutes with each other. This is the ideal solution for use in a wide range of settings, including everything from idea meetings and presentations to lectures in a large hall. More productive, more speedy, more collaborative meetings with the 1460 UI series. Epson.